In this video, I'll show you how to reset the Whirlpool Cabrio washer. So to start off, just click on the start button or pause button on your washer. So it's right here. And then make sure to unplug the washer from the wall and then wait 5 to 10 minutes after you have unplugged it. So once you've waited 5 to 10 minutes, you can plug it back in and then wait 30 seconds before actually using it. And then that should have completed the reset. You can now select a cycle from here and then use it by clicking start. And if it's still acting weird, then you may have to recalibrate it. And to recalibrate it, just use the normal cycle first. So put it on normal cycle over here, and then make sure before you start it, make sure that the washer is completely empty, and then start it and let the normal cycle run completely. And once it's finished, it should have recalibrated all of its sensors and balanced everything. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.